Count back order part 4 with Teacher Farah. Children, last week I have teach you new topic which is count back order. What is count back order? Count back order is when you count numbers starts with biggest number to the smallest number. For example, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. Children, now let's redo this count back order exercise together. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. How about this one, children? 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. And this one? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Very good. Children, for homework, I want you to take out Hands on MacBook B1 and please open page 15. Good luck, children.